Own something or get owned. Here's the 1% playbook. Fast truth: the rich own businesses, assets, or rare skills. A paycheck alone rarely builds wealth. Ownership does. So we use the 25-15-50-10 system. It works at any income. Just follow the percentages. First, 25% charged to growth. This is money that works while you sleep. Examples: broad index funds, real estate, REITs, high-income skills, online business. Avoid hype. Build the foundation first. Why the rush? Compounding. Starting small early beats, starting big late. Time in the market, timing the market. Dips hurt, but discount the future. A simple risk ladder. Lower risk. Broad index funds, ETFs, set and forget. Middle, real estate or REITs, cash flow and growth. Fast ROI. Learn a valuable skill and sell it. Higher risk. Online businesses, individual stocks. Moonshots last. Crypto, NFTs, alternatives, tiny slice only. How to invest smartly. Use tax-advantaged accounts in your country. Think ISA, Roth, TFSA, pensions, depending on where you live. Point: keep more of your returns legally. Automate the whole thing. Standing order on payday into your brokerage. Buy monthly, no overthinking. The 3-fund idea keeps it stupid simple. 3-fund quick start. Fund 1, broad home U.S. stock market. Fund 2, international stocks. Fund 3, bond fund for stability. Adjust mix to age and risk tolerance. Once investing runs, raise your income. More in, more compounding. Faster progress. Skills, clients, cash, index funds. Flywheel. Next, 15%. Stability. This keeps you in the game when life swings. Build a buffer so one bill doesn't nuke your plan. List core costs: rent, food, utilities, transport, insurance. Multiply that monthly baseline by 5. That's your target emergency fund. Yes, it's cautious. Future, you will cheer. Chaos never books an appointment. Store it correctly. Access within 24 hours. No penalties. Zero risk. Don't invest your emergency fund. Still earn interest. Use a high-yield savings account. 3 tactics to fill it faster. 1. Paycheck sweep. 15% moves out the second you're paid. 2. Replacement promise. Withdraw. Top up next paycheck. 3. Roundups cashback. Every cent feeds the buffer. Buffer full? Either roll overflow to growth, 25%, or redirect into rewards, 10%. Your call. Now, 50% on essentials. Food, housing, utilities, transport, insurance, basic clothes. Not essentials. Takeout habits, dead subscriptions, impulse toys. Target. Keep must-haves at half your income. 2 big leaks: housing and cars. Housing, renegotiate, share space, house hack if you can. Temporarily move home, freedom beats image. Car, buy reliable used, avoid status leases. City life, try no car math, saves a fortune. Systems beat willpower. The 7-day rule: pause, then decide. Brand versus value, paying for logo or function. Cost per use beats sticker price. Intentional spending, dopamine spending. Finally, 10%. Rewards, your joy jar. Keeps you human and consistent, separate account. Auto transfer 10% monthly. If it hits 0, wait till next month. No cheating. Spend without guilt, but be strategic. Prioritize experiences, trips, concerts, friends, hobbies that recharge your brain, gifts that strengthen relationships. Simple comparison. Look rich, burns cash. Become rich, feeds assets. Your system makes the choice for you every month. Automation, motivation. Be boringly consistent. 1-minute recap. 25% growth, index, REITs, skills, business. 15% stability, 5-month buffer, liquid and safe. 50% essentials, cut housing, chew car first, then trim noise. 10% rewards, separate account, memories over merch. Start from where you are. Open accounts, turn on auto transfers, pick 3 funds, lock the plan, put your creative energy into raising income. Remember, owners win, pure consumers pay. Make your next paycheck your best employee. This video is for education only, no finance advice. Always do your own research. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.